Eagle Creek Electric. Got to put that wire back in there, put a box in the wall, and replace the front door sconce. Every outlet and every switch in the whole house should be replaced with white. Also, every light fixture is going to be replaced. The baseboards will all be replaced. Could do a 6 foot here and a 6 foot here. Over here you could do a 4 or 5 footer. I don't know what's in stock, probably just 4 footers. Here in the kitchen cabinet, you will clearly want to rework all of this electrical, probably relocate. Before I said to put this over here in this wall, but that's really kind of close to this baseboard over here. So maybe it would be better to relocate this heater, this heating situation into the kick plate over here to the left of the sink, or that might be the dishwasher, maybe to the left of the dishwasher, depending on where the kitchen, what the kitchen plan says. Maybe a kick plate heater, electric heater, or perhaps a cadet at the end in that wall over there, using the same circuit, of course, just relocating it into a more sensible place. Make sure that this outlet and its wire get safely placed either into that wall, depending on what the exact dimensions of the new kitchen are. You probably have a fridge and a range with a little cabinet in the middle and a range, and then another cabinet countertop here. That's what I would guess. And then I'm not sure this is going to be part of it anymore. It might be cabinet met out here. In which case, I think these should be turned into small 4-inch cans or all-in-ones. And though that light right there needs to be converted into can lights in the kitchen, because the cabinet door is going to open and hit that light if we keep it like that. It needs to be super thin and probably doubled or tripled or quadrupled. Yeah, I like moving it into can lights or all-in-ones that are located evenly throughout the room. This little light above the sink can be turned into a 4-inch all-in-one that is the same as what you're going to use here. And maybe just decommission this one and use only that one. Or maybe decommission. If your new kitchen has this, it shouldn't have the overhang going that way. It should instead have an overhang going this way toward the dining room, that patio door. And that actually would be cool. And if that is the situation with the new kitchen design, then those should both stay in place and be replaced with 4-inch all-in-ones or can lights. Make sure that you test each outlet. If it's not grounded, make sure it is a 2-pronger or that it is GFCI protected. If it's grounded, it can be a 3-pronger. Here's an example of the low voltage wire that should just be completely removed. This thermostat should be removed. It's not connected to anything. Pay attention to if your baseboard heater has an onboard thermostat or not. If it has an onboard thermostat, you need to buy the little piece, the thermostat that gets mounted to the baseboard, because we're replacing all of these baseboards. Let's move this over. I got skills here. Just move that over. I'll have to put sheetrock filler in there and whatever. Okay, for the electrical out here, you're going to want to remove this whole situation and make sure you have just the spot for the dryer. There's 1, 2, 3 outlets. That's weird. And here's another one over here. Just make one spot for a dryer and one spot for a washer out here. There are wires visible here. Make it not so. I don't know what they're doing, but check and see what they're doing up there, and then either keep it but put it inside the wall or get rid of it. Okay, I can now see that the dryer is supposed to be over here. There's the dryer vent. So put the wires and the dryer outlet and the, anything electrical, put it all in the wall. And then we can sheetrock around. It looks like there's some other wires here, that there's an outlet up here that's seems to be being used right up inside the wall. Make this better. It probably needs, that outlet needs to come out so that we can sheetrock everything and have it look finished. More electrical things out here on the back porch is there's low voltage wire. I don't know. Get rid of all the wiring. There's a wire that comes out here to a light that's out here. Get rid of that light. Get rid of the wire that comes to it. Get rid of the wire that pops out of this. You're going to replace that light fixture and just not have the wire that comes out of it and powers that other thing. Get rid of the lights, the wires and surface boxes that are out here, unless it's self-contained. This one might be self-contained, which you could leave it there, but this one certainly, I don't know what the heck is going on. Get rid of the surface wiring. That's garbage. Another electrical item is that there is no outlet in the bathroom, which is on the other side of this wall. So there would be a great thing. Let's put that over on the other side in the bathroom, over the bathroom sink area. Also in the electrical video, I forgot to mention that this light will need to be centered over the sink, over the vanity cabinet. So you're going to have that wall open, move it over.